Hello, this is Cody from Ounuo Machinery. Welcome to see our digital printing machine. We have two models of corrugated digital printing machine, CSW1600 and CNW250. Let's see the CSW first. This is a single pass printing machine with 24 nozzles. The max paper feeding width is 1.6 meters and the max printing width is 800 millimeters. It has advantage of fast printing and it is suitable for large orders. And the next is CNW. It is a multi-pass printing machine with 16 nozzles. It is used for large format printing or for printing with high quality requirements. And the max paper feeding size is 2.5 meter multiplied 2 meter. Please contact us for more details. Bye.